Pakpak para ganahan siya.
To our school's Division Superintendent, Rinaldo Melorida, CISO 5, to our Education Program Supervisor, Sir Ernica as our District Supervisor, Ma'am Janice A. Fernandez, to our beloved School Head, Sir Elpidio Aidupitas, teachers, visitors, classmates, parents and friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is a day filled with excitement for each one of us to take big step into the next grade. I would like to thank our teacher for the learning patience and for not giving up to share your knowledge. To our parents, families, and guardians, thank you for the support and unconditional love for us. And most especially, I would like to thank our mighty God for giving us wonderful opportunity to gather and celebrate first big amazing milestone in our young lives. This school year has been challenging to everyone, but I am proud that we made it on behalf of kindergarten class 2024-2025 with pride and joy that I welcome you all in our moving up ceremony. Thank you very much and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Ayana, for that warm welcome. At this juncture, to present to us the candidates for completion